Fogatti RV tankless water heater is an energy-saving water heater designed for the RV water system. Tankless design, easy installation, saving space. A separate digital touchscreen controller supports continuous water heating. It uses 100% American Standard connectors, and the service life is 2 to 3 times longer than other connectors.
Katie loves her new gas tankless water heater. She never runs out of hot water filling her tub or when the kids spend 45 minutes in the shower. And she saves money each month on energy costs. But today is different. Storms have caused a power outage. She goes to take a hot shower, but Katie has just found out that without power, she doesn't have hot water. Gas tankless water heaters need electricity to work and make hot water. Uh-oh, now what do we do? There is a solution. Safeguard Power Solutions presents the Hugo, the safest, most reliable backup solution for tankless water heaters and gas appliances. Tested and approved by Rinnai to be used on their water heaters and space heating appliances, Hugo offers a battery backup solution immediately during a power outage to keep hot water flowing. Hugo can also be used to provide backup power for space heaters, computers, and other no-flow appliances, even for things like garage door openers. And because it's small and portable, it can be used as a power station when out camping or away from grid power. Want to take that CPAP machine with you? Sure, go ahead. But Katie knows that storms aren't the only thing that can cause power disruptions. In fact, power outages are much more frequent across the country than we like to think about. We are doubling the number of outages every 5 years. In 2014, over 140 million people were affected by power outages in the U.S. alone. And it continues to grow. Hugo is ETL certified and is built into a weatherproof enclosure for a simple indoor or outdoor installation. Be prepared for your next power outage before it happens. Get your Hugo today.
Compared to a traditional tank water heater, a Rinnai tankless water heater is far superior. Here's why. First, a tankless water heater is energy efficient. A tank may heat and reheat water even when you're not at home. A Rinnai tankless water heater heats water only when you need it, resulting in less wasted energy. Second, when demand is high, a tank can run out of hot water, leaving you in the cold. But a Rinnai tankless water heater heats water as it goes through the pipes, giving you an endless supply of hot water for your family or business. Third, an old tank could accumulate rusty sediment over time and leak all over your floor. A Rinnai tankless water heater has a longer lifespan, up to twice as long as a traditional tank. So scrap the tank and start enjoying as much hot water as you need, heated only when you need it, with a Rinnai tankless water heater.
Waiting for hot water at a sink located far from a primary heating source can be frustrating. Cold water from a sink is just not useful. Plumbing a hot water line to every sink in a home or business requires time and money. That's impractical. To get hot water where it's needed, when it's needed, a better solution is to use the Tronic 3000T from Bosch, a point-of-use electric mini-tank water heater. The Tronic 3000T can supplement a primary water heater or be used under a single sink. In fact, the Bosch Tronic 3000T can be used for 3 different applications: as a sole water heating source for a single sink, as a supplement to an existing water heater located far from the source, and as a buffer installed in line with tankless water heaters that experience intermittent cold water or cold water sandwich. In any configuration, there is minimal standby loss from this mini tank water heater. There's no wait for hot water to arrive at a sink when it's needed. Tronic 3000T mini tank water heaters from Bosch are compact and can be wall or floor mounted. They fit easily under a sink in a cabinet space, and because they have a sleek and attractive exterior design, they blend in seamlessly with existing decor when installed in a visible location. Available in 3 space-saving sizes, the 2.7 and 4-gallon units have a simple 120-volt AC plug-in connection, while the 7-gallon unit, which can supply 2 sinks simultaneously, must be hardwired. To install, a professional simply taps into a cold water line, provides an electrical connection, and installs the mini tank water heater directly at the sink at point of use. The Tronic 3000T can be used at any sink where hot water doesn't exist or takes too long to reach. That includes a basement wet bar or patio kitchen station, a garage or attic, even in an RV or on a boat. No matter the application, with the Bosch Tronic 3000T, hot water will quickly be in hand, precisely where it's needed, saving time, water, and energy.